Sandali lang.
Binasahan niya na?
Kasi ma'am, maraming tao. Cancel muna.
Nak,
Ang dami naman ako, pati may media.
sabi mo yan. Pambilya, no?
Ba't may media pa po?
Ay, hindi ko naman hawak yung media.
Okay. Diyan, eh. Okay. So,
Ayun, susasak ko namin. Sumapulaan ka rin.
oh, Mr. Rayali.
Hi sir, Vivi po. John Consulta po sa GMA7 po.
Yeah, I know. I know this is all set up, so don't worry.
Did you expect this sir to happen?
No, I was ready to post my bail kanina.
Opo.
Kaya lang, wala pang warrant kanina eh.
Okay.
That's why I'm surprised they have a warrant tonight.
Aha.
The judge was not supposed to be in the office kanina.
Okay po.
And it was supposed to be a bailable, hindi siya nakalagay dito, non-bailable. Eh, we know the process naman eh.
Oo. Ano masasabi niyo dun sir?
No, we will go through the process, no problem.
Ingat sir, ingat sir. Ingat sir.
Doon ka na siya po yun.